Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Espina and today I'm back with another video. Guys, today I have another video of painting the vases. I have collected so many of them, so I really need to make a video with them. So I will be decorating one today with you. I have like some ideas for different kind of vases, so I will let you know, guys. So yeah, so for now I just need to clean this paper around it and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have removed the paper around it, I will explain to you guys what I'm thinking of doing. So I want to, like I did before with the sunflowers, I decided to do like maybe some fruits. I will start with a watermelon for today. I will do like some watermelons around it. I think it's going to look very nice and cute. So yeah, that's the thought behind it today. I will put like an inspiration picture somewhere here, maybe here. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe from down below and comment if you think you're gonna enjoy it, if you enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you would like to see, so let me know. And yes, so let's get started. Okay, so I have put my paints on the palette. I put some brilliant red, some crimson red, light green, some darker green, white and black, okay? And we'll try and see how we can make this work, okay? Okay, so I'll start by grabbing some bright red, brilliant red, and I will place it on the base. Let's see. So it's going to be different areas, so I have to be somewhere very specific. And let me do the shape and I'll show you guys. Like this. So it's going to be like that. It can be bigger, it can be smaller, doesn't matter. As you can see, we'll have to do a lot of layers so you can see it clearly on the glass. So one layer is okay for now. We'll wait for them to dry after we finish all of them, and then we'll go over with more layers, okay? So let's go ahead and do more around the base, wherever you guys want, and this type of shape, okay? So let's go. Okay, it looks like this, right? It doesn't look bad, but of course it's not what we're just planning to do, right? So I'm waiting for them to dry, and then I will have to go again with another layer of the same color, and yeah, and then I'll come back and explain what to do after. Okay, after this, let's go with our third and last layer, okay, and then we're done. Okay, so after we have this, so I did the third layer, right? I think, yeah. And after it's dry and finished, it looks quite good. So now we're gonna move on to the other part of the watermelon, which is like the middle part that divides the red with the green, and that's the white. So we'll grab our white and let me show you. Make it like this, okay, and make sure it's like a very thin layer of white underneath like the bottom of the bowl, in a way, you know. And yeah, so a thin layer of white, and yeah, we'll do all of this on like each single watermelon, and then I'll come back and explain what to do after. And after we have this and it's dry, we go for a second layer of white. Yes, I know, so many second layers, but we always need to do this as it's a glass, and the glass does not really cover, like the paint doesn't really cover the glass, you know. So we're going for a second layer, and then I will explain what to do after. But make sure your paint is dry and then go for a second layer, okay? And after we have our white paint dry, we are going to add some green paint. So the same we did with the white, just with green, and it's going to be under the white, okay? So let's try and see. I think so far it looks very nice though, right? You agree? Yes, yes you do. And we'll need to do 2 layers again of the green, right? So I'm going to add like a dark green layer first, and then I'll see if I want to make it brighter. I will add the second layer with the brighter color or the same. But 2 layers of green, the same we did with the white, okay? So let's go. Okay guys, so once we are satisfied with our base, as you can see, I did the second green layer. So once you're also satisfied with it, you think everything is covered, we're going to move on to the seeds. So we're going to add like a few dots in the watermelon, and so yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm making them into like an oval shape. Yeah, so I'm just making them in an oval shape, and yeah, I'll finish all of them and I'll come back and show you the result. Okay, so here it is. This is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was very easy for you to follow along. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you did follow along and if you found it very easy. If you enjoyed these fruits, maybe I'll keep doing some fruits on the vase, you know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me. So yeah, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.